Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you the latest trend which has been going around TikTok and Snapchat. The trend is called the Silhouette Challenge on TikTok and also known as the Rouge effect, which is quite popular with the ladies. So this is how to do it. Go to your phone camera app and find a doorway to record at. Wear your normal clothes and film in full lighting. Start to record by walking into the scene and make sure your ending position is when the beat of the music kicks in. Make sure the clip is at least 15 to 20 seconds long so you have some room for edits. Now stop recording and that clip should be in your camera roll. Now go to your Snapchat application. Press the magnifying glass at the top left of the screen to search. Type in Rouge and select Rouge by Nick. Now you need to make sure all of your lighting is switched off apart from one light in the background behind you. This will give the silhouette effect. Start off from the same position you left in the camera app, then begin to show off your moves. Record for about 15 seconds and then stop recording. Now save the clip to your camera roll by tapping on save at the bottom. If the clip does not appear in your camera roll, then you need to look into your Snapchat settings and change it from there. Open the TikTok app. Then search for the audio, put your head on my shoulder, or use an audio from an existing TikTok Rouge video. I would suggest using a sound from a video by Giulia Di Colantonio, one of the users in TikTok. Tap on use this sound. Now tap on upload. Select your video in order, so select your well-lit video first and then your Snapchat red effect video next. Press next. Now press default, and now from here you can adjust the clip as per the song. The beat kicks in approximately 12.4 seconds, so make sure your first video is exactly 12.4 seconds long. So tap on the first video, adjust the time and the duration of the clip, then press a tick and then press next. Let TikTok render the movie and then review the clip. If you're happy, then post it. If not, then tap on the back button and readjust the clip as per your timing. And there you go, that is how to create your own silhouette trend video for TikTok. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video to all your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.